say goodnight and go.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So, first of all, I know my makeup is crazy for the type of video I'm filming, but I just got done filming a different video, and if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But anyways, today's video is going to be an updated makeup collection. I haven't done one of these since my channel first went up, and my vanity and like everything is very different than what it used to be. So, we're gonna film a makeup collection today. I just want y'all to know I'm not trying to brag. I love watching these videos and I thought it'd be really fun to make one. Plus my last one, I met a ton of new people from it. So, yeah. If y'all enjoy, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I love y'all so much. And let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is my vanity. And this is where I do my makeup and film my videos, and then this right here is where I hold all of my makeup. So I'm just gonna get into my vanity first. The table is from Sodders. Yeah, and then the whole back thing is something that's like old. I don't know where it's from, but it didn't come with this desk. We drilled it onto my desk and I love it. And the mirror is inside of like the thing. And then my vanity lights up here are from Amazon, and so is the cord on the side. So I'm just gonna get into everything like on top. In this first little cubby hole, I have a little plant from Marshall's, this little candle, I don't know where it's from, and then a Kylie lip kit box. Right under it, I have 2 pairs of earrings and all of my nude lipsticks and glosses and stuff. So I have like Fenty, Kylie, MAC, Jeffree Star, ColourPop is in here, Anastasia, Morphe, all of my favorite brands. Then here I have 2 necklaces hanging and my face brushes that I use every day. One of those like phone dongle things, and all my dirty eye brushes that I'm washing tonight. I've been doing a lot of makeup looks lately, so that's why that's like that. And then in the middle, I have my eye brushes. I hold them here. This little pot is from Target. Then I have my 2 skin treatments. Then I have this little like plastic organizer that I got from Marshall's. I have hair stuff up here, my beauty blenders in here, my everyday face products in here. So I have like Maybelline Fit Me, Butter Bronzer, Anastasia, Blush Trio, highlighters, stuff like that. Then in here I have my everyday eye stuff. So I have mascaras, eye primers, eyelash curler, my favorite eyeliner, which is from Wet n Wild. Then in this drawer, I just have like lip care and skin care and like lotion and stuff like that. And then in the very last drawer, I just have like some beauty like care tools. I don't really know. On this side, I have this little jar of candy that my little brother got me for Christmas. If you watched my What I Got for Christmas video, you would have seen that. And then I have a water bottle because I've been drinking water, H2O. Some little flowers that I don't know, they're probably from like Walmart, they're fake. And then a little candle. Right here I have my Impressions vanity mirror and my glasses. And then up here I have my favorite foundations. So I have Born This Way from Too Faced, my e.l.f. Flawless Finish, the Fenty foundation, and the Estee Lauder foundation. And then all the way at the top I have all the rest of my face brushes that I never use. Okay, so this is what my makeup collection thing looks like. The drawer set is from Amazon. It was like $60. On top, I have 2 boxes to my Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I have Bling Boss Armed and Gorgeous. Then I have this candle right here. I don't know what it's from, probably Dollar General or something. I have this jewelry box that was my mom's when she was a baby, and then all my expensive perfumes, so like Nicki Minaj, Juicy Couture, Justin Bieber, and One Direction. I have this little bottle that I made filled with more flowers, and then this other little candle, but he's like a little teddy bear, and this one crackles. It's so freaking cute. But now we're going to get into the actual drawers. Okay, so this is drawer number 1. It's not really organized because I don't know how I would organize this, but it's all my primers and setting sprays. So I have sprays such as the Urban Decay Chill, Mario Badescu, Too Faced, MAC, ELF, Milani, Too Faced. Then back here I have all my primers. So I have the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. I have Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I have my Catrice Prime and Fine, a bunch of samples. More sprays. I have an ELF one, another Milani, the Milani Prime Perfection, Baby Skin, Too Faced Hangover. This is my second drawer. This is my foundation, concealer, and powder drawer. So for foundations, I have CoverGirl. This one's super good for Maybelline. Another Maybelline, Milani, Maybelline, CoverGirl, L'Oreal, Sonia Kashuk, Wet n Wild, L'Oreal, and then my Makeup Revolution ones. For concealers, I have NYX, Wet n Wild, Maybelline, Urban Decay, It Cosmetics. For powders, I have an ELF, a Wet n Wild, a Rimmel, and I don't really know what that is. It's just like a little sample size that I got in an Ipsy box. Next drawer is my highlighter drawer, and I know it looks kind of messy, but that's just because I have so many highlighters, like way too many, but it's probably fine. So I have my Jeffree Star highlighter in Mint Condition, my ColourPop in Nude Endo palette, which looks like this. It's very pretty. Then I have my Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit, which looks like this. I have this little one from Bad Habit, and then my Sleek Solstice palette, which looks like this. And then over here, this little container, by the way, which I also have one for my concealers, are from Amazon. I don't know which ones they are, but I got like a set of 6 or something. So I have Maybelline Master Chrome Ofra Blissful Highlighter. I have Wet n Wild, Pixie. And if you hear that shaking, it's my drawers. I'm really sorry. Then I have Morphe, Milani, Becca, House of Sparkles UK. The one under is ColourPop. This one is my Laura Geller Peach Glow. I have 2 of the ColourPop Super Shock Cheeks. This ELF Moonlight Pearls, and then the rest of those are like samples, except for this is my ELF Liquid Illuminator. This is my bronzer and blush drawer. It is quite, I got like a lot. So I have my Morphe contour and highlight palette. It's like this. I got it for Christmas. I have this little Amazon cream one, a Makeup Revolution blush palette, and this LA Colors contour kit. And then right here I have L'Oreal Glam Bronze, which is amazing. My Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and then under that I have an ELF bronzer palette. Here are just 2 samples from my Ipsy. I have this blush thing from Pacifica from Ipsy. And then I have a bunch of blushes and bronzers. These are all Wet n Wild. This is Milani. That is the Balm. Flower Child, Party. I don't know what that brand is. I have a Bouncy blush from Maybelline. This Ulta blush, which is one of my favorites, in Honey Bunny. I have a Pixie one, and then a bunch of bronzers. I have 2 of the Balm bronzer. Sorry, you can't really see. 2 of the Balm bronzer samples, a Too Faced bronzer sample, a Tarte Princess Park Avenue or something like that bronzer sample, and then my number 7 bronzer right there. Okay, so this is my eye drawer. This is all like mascaras and stuff like that. So I have a bunch of Maybelline, CoverGirl, Too Faced. I have a couple of the Maybelline Master Chromes. I have a glue stick. Back here, I just have some samples and like singles of eyeshadows and stuff. Then I have brow products over here. So I have like the Milani, Maybelline one under it. Then I have my Stila glitter, my Urban Decay glitter, a bunch of like NYX liners, and then like Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and a bunch of like other random stuff. Alright, this next drawer is my lip drawer. It's very full. That's one of the reasons I took some of them out and put them like in that little basket thing. By the way, those gold brush holders are also from Walmart. I forgot to tell you guys that. But I have a ton of lip products, like so many. And here I have all my lip liners. My favorite lip liners are from Rimmel. The Wet n Wild ones are also okay. I have lip products from ColourPop, Steve Laurent, NYX, Jeffree Star, LA Colors, House of Sparkles UK, Milani, Rimmel, Too Faced, Maybelline, CoverGirl, Tarte. This is the next drawer, and you can tell it's very scattered and messy. That is because it's my lash and glitter drawer. So I have Ardell lashes. I don't know what that brand is, but I got those from Amazon. They're really good. I talked about them in one of my hauls from like the spring or something. I've had them for a while, and I don't use them often, but I need to. I have LA Colors, House of Sparkles UK, more Ardell. I have a lot of Ardell lashes. They're my favorite. Oh, the Allure lashes are really nice. And then I have a ton of glitters and glitter glue. So I have the Duo glue in both the squeezy tube and the brush form. And then I have a ton of glitters right here from House of Sparkles. And then I have ones from glittermyworld.com. I have some NYX ones right here, the M Princess ones as well. So that's my glitter in my eyelash drawer. The next two drawers are palettes, so I'm just gonna show you the drawer and then take everything out and show you the palettes. So this is my drugstore drawer. Now I'm gonna like show y'all all the palettes inside. Currently on my floor, so hopefully the lighting isn't awful. But yeah, okay, so I have the Bad Habit After Dark palette. I have Morphe Jewel Crew 9C palette, Bad Habit Athena palette, Bad Habit Aphrodite palette. It's one from Amazon, which is a knockoff of the 35B, which they discontinued. If I can get this palette open. It looks like this. It's very beautiful. I use it all the time. Take me back to Brazil palette from Beach Cosmetics. I use that one all the time. I have two ColourPop palettes. I have the Cute AF palette, and I also have the Dream Street in Kathleen Light's palette. Since all about nudes, I have CoverGirl True Naked Nudes and the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I have the Bad Habit Aurora palette, which is a knockoff of one of the Anastasia. I have Bad Habit Retro Love, looks like this. And then I have this NYC and Demi Lovato palette. And then I have my face paint palette. Okay, so this is my more high-end palette drawer. And like Morphe, I count as high-end because these are more expensive. But let's just get into all of them. Like you can see, I have a good number. Okay, so the first palette I have in this drawer is my Morphe James Charles palette. It just looks like this. I have the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one. Mine looks like this. It's very used and abused. Morphe 3502 palette. I gave my other one away. Morphe 35M palette, Boss Mood. Next I have two Anastasia palettes. I have the Modern Renaissance, which everyone is obsessed with, including me. You can tell she's been used and abused. I'm going to try and use this more this year though too. And then I have the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, which is newer. I haven't used it as much. For a Pro palette, this is the Free Spirit palette, and it just looks like this. Of the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, which looks like this. The Tartelette in Bloom palette, which is very beautiful. Kylie Bronze palette. Last but not least is the Tarte Maneater palette. Okay guys, that is my whole makeup collection. I really hope y'all enjoyed. This video is gonna probably take a little while to edit and it's probably kind of long. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below, now that you know what products I have, what you want to see me use. And also tell me what your makeup collection is like. Is it as big as mine? Is it as smaller? Is it bigger than mine? I would love to know. Another disclaimer, I wasn't bragging, I promise. I love these videos so much. They're so much fun and they're really different. So yeah, I love y'all so much. Like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you babies next time. Bye, hoes.
Sí, sí, sí.